Hi, my name is Maximilian and I'm the man behind this channel. And yeah, in this video I just wanted to thank you to be part of the community, and I hope you could see quite some cool stuff this year. And yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for being here. And yeah, it's about a lot about actually about the community that actually gives inputs and what's this all about. I just try to document some tours you maybe not have seen before, especially not with bringing a good camera. That's probably my main goal while doing all this alpine stuff outside. And yeah, I just want to tell you a little bit what you can expect from this channel actually in the next year, in 2021. And as you might have seen, I just launched my new project for next year called 21 in 21. My goal will be to actually climb the remaining 21 4,000 meter peaks of Switzerland in the year 2021, and I tried to document this. I'm right now just preparing some training and for sure trying to get some brands into this project. At this moment, Glorify is supporting this. Anyway, I just want to thank you, all the brands I could work with and which are supporting me, which is right now the Heat Company, a small brand which are producing really cool gloves like these ones here, and they are from Austria and I really can recommend them. I had them with me on a lot of tours, including the Mont Blanc, including the Matterhorn. And yeah, I love these gloves. They're also linked below. And then for sure thanks Glorify for some really awesome glasses, and they are really cool and robust. So if you're looking for some new one, I think they're still on sale and have 25% off, so have a look up there. And so all the other brands, including Mammut, thanks a lot for working with me. It was a pleasure, and I hope we can work in the future together. And yeah, that's the main supporters actually I had this year. Thanks as well for sure Insta360, which gave me a 360 camera to test this one out. I'll do a review about this one soon. It's on the computer, but I hadn't time to actually make the video. So what's more to expect? I got a lot of new gear, including some really excellent filters from Breakthrough. So I'm gonna do a test about these soon. I also got recently the new Peter McKinnon Mist edition of Weendies, and didn't test them out right now, but we'll test them out and for sure we'll make a video about them, and just will tell you if they're worth the buck, because they're pretty expensive. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to test them out. And yeah, that's basically it. And I think now it's just your turn to tell me what you would like to see on this channel, any special wishes, tests or whatever. So if you think I want to see this or that, just leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll try to make that. And yeah, that's for sure one thing that would be really cool if you would give me some inputs. Then for the next year, there will be some cool things coming up, which I'll let you know when they are officially, and some really exciting projects I'm really looking forward. Beside of the 21 and 21, I got some cool ideas, and yeah, really looking forward to the next year. And yeah, I just want to talk short about the corona situation. me personally, or for me personally, as you might know, I'm a medical doctor and working right now in a hospital, but next year I'm gonna work in a GP in a small company. And yeah, it didn't affect me actually that much, but I know a lot of people are highly affected. Well, they lost their job and whatever, but as far as I heard, a lot of people took the opportunity to think what they really want to do and thought about their lives, and maybe that's a good moment to think about that and change whatever you want. And I recently watched a video from Maximilian, and he said something that I'm really agreeing with. And he said, like, what would he tell his 20-year-old himself? And it's like, don't look too much what's your destination, but concentrate on the way there and enjoy every single step you actually take in, wherever it takes you. And just like, if you think I want to do that, just like leave all the excuses, just go for it. For sure, don't do any no-brainers, but I'm really convinced that everything you really want from your heart and you're passionate about, you can reach. And don't concentrate too much on earning a lot of money. Concentrate on your passion. Really do what you love and try to get as good as you possibly can, and try to get abilities that no one else has, and then probably success and money and whatever will follow. And that's just what I wanted to tell you. And yeah, I want to wish you a really nice Christmas. Hope you can spend it with your loved ones, and also a good new year for the year 2021. I wish you from my heart that you'll reach your goals. And yeah, that's basically where I'm gonna leave it. Thank you for being part of it, and yeah, see you soon, hopefully somewhere outside. If you're in Switzerland, need some tips or whatever, just hit me up on Instagram or wherever. I actually know quite a lot of spaces and places. And yeah, thanks a lot for being part of it. And if you haven't subscribed, it would be a great moment. It's absolutely for free and I really appreciate it. One last thing I forgot. Many of you might think, oh, I hate it that there are some advertisements on the YouTube videos. I'm not doing on advertisements on every YouTube video, but they are important for me because they help me to buy stuff, to test it out in real world conditions, like in the mountains. And maybe you saw I did a lot of videos about the DJI Mavic Mini. That's not Mavic Mini, it's DJI Mini 2. And with the income I got from YouTube, it's actually sorry for that. It's actually exactly the amount of money that the drone costed. So I didn't earn anything in the end. I just bought the drone. And yeah, so I hope you understand that. It's just to help me a little bit to run this channel. And yeah, I appreciate that you're with me and that you watched the video. And once again, Merry Christmas. See you soon somewhere outside. As you can see, if anyone is saying that working as a photographer is an easy job, It's not. I just want to tell you that. It's not an easy job. Yeah? I love to do that. It's totally my passion, but it's not an easy job.